Here are 50 sentences to use when talking to someone emotionally, showing empathy, understanding, and care. Expressing empathy. 1. I understand how you feel. 2. That must be really hard for you. 3. I can see why you're upset. 4. I'm so sorry you're going through this. 5. You're not alone, I'm here for you. 6. I can imagine how tough this is. 7. It's okay to feel this way. 8. I hear you, and your feelings are valid. 9. You don't have to go through this by yourself. 10. I'm here to listen whenever you're ready. Offering support. 11. What can I do to help you? 12. Take your time, I'm not going anywhere. 13. Let me know if there's anything I can do. 14. I care about you and want to help. 15. We'll get through this together. 16. You can lean on me if you need to. 17. Do you want to talk about it? 18. I'll support you no matter what. 19. You've got this, and I'm right here. 20. It's okay to ask for help, I'll be there. Encouragement and reassurance. 21. You're stronger than you think. 22. This will pass, you'll be okay. 23. You've overcome so much already. 24. I believe in you and your strength. 25. It's okay to take things one step at a time. 26. You're doing the best you can, and that's enough. 27. You have every right to feel how you feel. 28. It's okay to take a break and take care of yourself. 29. You don't have to have all the answers right now. 30. You are worthy of love and care. Acknowledging their feelings. 31. It sounds like you're really hurt by this. 32. You seem overwhelmed right now. 33. I can tell this means a lot to you. 34. I know this is a lot to handle. 35. You're carrying a heavy load right now. 36. Your emotions are completely valid. 37. It's okay to cry if you need to. 38. You've been through so much already. 39. I can see how much this matters to you. 40. It's clear that this is weighing on your mind. Offering perspective. 41. Things might not be clear now, but they will get better. 42. You've gotten through tough times before. 43. Every step forward is progress, no matter how small. 44. Sometimes it helps to focus on what you can control. 45. You don't have to have everything figured out today. 46. What you're feeling now won't last forever. 47. This moment doesn't define you. 48. Take it day by day, healing takes time. 49. You've got people who care about you deeply. 50. Even in hard times, you're doing your best, and that's enough. These sentences can help foster meaningful, compassionate conversations with someone who is going through emotional challenges.